Hello everyone, let's look at the use of as soon as today, and as usual we'll start with the help of an example. The example is घर पहुंचते ही मैंने TV on किया. When I reached home I turned on the TV. Now in this case the sentence is okay, but it does not really accurately convey the idea of the first sentence or the Hindi sentence. As soon as I reached home I turned on the TV. Now this is a perfect sentence because in first case maybe I reached home, I took 20 minutes, 30 minutes and then I turned on the TV. Whereas in the second case I immediately turned on the TV after I reached home. Okay, so the meaning of as soon as, which is a conjunction, is in the shortest possible time, or it is used when something happens immediately after some other event. You can also change the order of sentence. You can say as soon as I reached home I turned on the TV, or I turned on the TV as soon as I reached home. Okay, so let's look at one more example. डॉक्टर के इंजेक्शन लगाते ही मरीज ने चिल्लाना बंद कर दिया. The patient stopped screaming when doctor gave him an injection. Okay, and the patient stopped screaming as soon as doctor gave him an injection. So in first case, as I just said in the last example, maybe the patient stopped screaming or felt better 20 minutes after doctor gave him an injection. Okay, so there was some gap. But in second case, the patient immediately felt better or immediately stopped screaming after doctor gave him an injection. Okay, and I want you to note that you can use as soon as with past simple as well as with past perfect. So the example would be I received a call as soon as bank approved my loan. Past simple. I received a call as soon as bank had approved my loan. Past perfect. Okay, and you can use it with the present also. As soon as I reach Delhi I will call you. So with as soon as I'm using simple present here, but don't use will with as soon as, because that is grammatically incorrect. As soon as I get money I will give it to you. So don't use will, you simply say as soon as I get money I will give it to you. So the second sentence should be future tense, okay, not with the as soon as. So that's it in this video guys. I'll see you in the next one.